Hi guys, it's Danny again from Florida with another tutorial of our arrangements that we make normally here at the store. So I just wanted to show you what we have just got. Our brand new ceramic vases. We have them in 2 different sizes and in 4 different shades, so they are really pretty. So I got inspired by them and I thought I could use some of our new stock as well that we just got. So some of you guys saw our chrysanthemums. This is the champagne tone. This is our new also blush plume grass, some brassicas, our brand new needle leaf spray, and I'm also using some of our this lovely brown eucalyptus and some of our cappuccino roses. This is the first time using these guys, so we'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna trim all these green leaves from our chrysanthemums because I just don't like the color of them. So feel free to keep them if you want, but I prefer to just take them off. So these are gonna be the stars of our arrangement. So basically gonna just prepare them quickly. These ones I'm also going to just take the leaves off. You need a special cutters for these because they have wire through. So just keep in mind, don't use your normal cutters because it's they're gonna ruin them. Again, with our cappuccino, we're going to reflex them, so I just want them on their own. So it's pretty easy to just cut them off. But as I said, if you like the look of the green, feel free to do that. So all right, let's start. Now I normally use my greenery as a base, so what I'm going to start is with this lovely bush. It comes in this big bush like that, but I'm just going to use my cutters and I'm going to sort of cut them in sections. So I got a nice big section there and I'm just going to keep that there, and I think that should give me a nice little foliage to work with. So I'm just planning to put these guys sort of the side here because I really wanted to frame my arrangement. And then the other bit, I'm just gonna leave it for the moment. So I'm gonna just cut this guy here. I normally like to sort of measure it to the size of my pot. And I cut a little bit just longer just in case I need to cut it again, because once you cut too short, that's it, you cannot go back. So at least cutting a little bit longer, you can sort of cut it again, if that makes sense. I'm quite happy with my height, so I'm just gonna go again and then just cut this slightly shorter. And it just looks so pretty with this color vase, so I'm in love with them. I got this lovely plume grass as well, so I'm gonna put this guy at the back. Now we're going for a nice, simple, minimalistic kind of look, but with lots of texture. So not many flowers, but lots of texture, lots of greenery, lots of different foliage, just to add a nice interesting look to it without too many flowers. How beautiful are these? These are so cute. I love the color that it has come in. So I'm just gonna cut a few different bunches. These are our rascals, by the way. It comes in a big spray like this and it's only $14.95. so it's a bargain when you compare them to fresh flowers, I mean the fresh dried flowers. So this is from our dry collection, and I love this. Look at me, like you can easily just finish there, but I just want to keep going. So we'll just put some more things here. I'm just rearranging my flowers. Now with our lovely Kimpra, I chose it because it's got that beauty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got that beautiful peachy undertone, so that's what I chose it basically. And this is going to go right on the bottom of my arrangement here. It might be a little bit too big, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit more. Careful with your fingers. And then you sort of move it forward a bit, just so you can see there. Just wanna bring this up a bit. Alright, that looks good. I'm happy with that. Sorry, I just need to look what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut another bit of it just to make it look a bit full there. Yeah, I like that now. It needs the contrast so it doesn't blend in too much. Now with these guys, I'm just gonna leave one a little bit high, like nice and tall. There. And then this I'm going to just reflex it a bit. Here we go. I'm quite happy with that. It's cute. And then I got my other one here and just gonna cut it a little bit shorter, not too short. And then just face it forward a bit. And then I'm going to reflect it. This color is just divine. It goes so well with all our boho flowers that we currently have in store. That's looking really cute. Now I got this really cool branch that I like to use for all my arrangements. For some reason I always keep going back to it. So I think that adds a little bit of drama to it. And then just to finish off, I got my eucalyptus. So I'll see what I can. I think it needs something here just to add a bit of movement on that side. What do you think? I got a second one here, so I'm just gonna put it towards the back just to create a nice dimension. It doesn't look too flat, my arrangement. So I quite like that, but you know what I'm gonna do? I got a little bit of extra raspers here, and I'm just gonna put it here. What do you think? I like it. Good to know. Just gonna chop this bit that we had, but you know this was off just one stem, so lots of value for your money when you buy one stem. And then I'm just keeping the original stem there. And this is my arrangement. I got a little bit of extra bits here, so what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna place it towards the back just to cover my mechanics. I'm gonna clean this area. I made a bit of a mess, but this is it. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, good. If my sister liked it, it means it's good. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.